What if you were a modern scientist in the Stone Age? Day 1. The air smells different than any lab you've worked in. Damp soil, smoke, animal fat. You wake up on hard ground. Your back notices first. Your hands move automatically, reaching for tools that aren't there. No microscope, no notebook, just a stick. You drag it through the dirt without thinking. Lines, shapes, little circles. Someone nearby watches. You weren't trying to show anything, still, they start copying the circles. Day 7. Your hands already look different. Small cuts across the knuckles, dirt stuck in the skin. You spend most of the morning watching water move through a shallow stream. The current bends around rocks. You place a few stones in the flow. The water changes direction immediately. A small thing, but people notice. Later that day, someone places stones in the same pattern. The stream slows. Fish collect in the quiet water. Dinner is easier that night. 1 month. You wake up before everyone else. Not on purpose. The body adjusts when there's no artificial light. Sunrise becomes an alarm clock. You sit near the fire and stare at the embers. Your brain keeps organizing things. Patterns, angles, distances. You build a slightly steeper spear point than the others. Same stone, just a sharper angle. It cuts deeper than expected. Nobody says anything, but they hand the next stone to you. 6 months. Your feet are tougher now. You barely notice the ground anymore. Walking over rock feels normal. You start stacking stones near the shelter. At first, it's just to block wind, but you angle them differently. A small slope. Rain slides off instead of pooling. Someone touches the wall during the next storm, then nods quietly. You sleep dry for the first time since arriving. 1 year. Your thoughts move slower here. Not less, just slower. Without screens or noise, your brain fills the silence with observation. You watch birds for long stretches. Wing shape, glide angles, how they turn without losing height. Later, you carve curved edges into throwing tools. They travel farther. You don't mention the birds, you just throw. Several years later, your hands are almost unrecognizable now. Thicker skin, short nails, scars you barely remember earning. You spend an afternoon drawing shapes in sand again, triangles this time, weight sitting on 3 points. You build something larger using the same idea, logs resting on angled supports. It holds. No one calls it anything, but people start sleeping underneath it. You sit nearby that night, watching the fire. Someone else is drawing shapes in the dirt now. Circles, lines, angles you recognize. You realize something quietly. You didn't just bring knowledge here, you changed how people look at the ground.